Hi friends, my name is Raj. In these videos, we will discussing in what Linux commands. Already previous classes we discussed hello command, TTY command, and call command. In this class, we will discuss an mkdir command. Okay, what is mkdir command in Linux? Okay, what is the meaning of mkdir? Here, meaning means mkdir means make directory. Make directory. Okay, this is a meaning. Okay, now uses of mkdir command. Okay, before come to the point, I will tell you one small story. Okay, what the story means? We will construct the one hotel. Okay, uh, nowadays one of the famous hotel in Taj Hotel, right? It's India famous hotel. Okay, now in this class we will build a okay, Taj Hotel. Okay, what the main requirement is? What place? After getting the place, then what we'll do? We'll start the construction. After complete the building, okay, we give the one name. The name is the Taj Hotel, right? This is Taj Hotel. Okay, okay. Inside of the Taj Hotel, okay, having table, TV, radio, and room. Inside of the room, chair, bench, and sofa set. Lot of things are there. Like by using the mkdir command in Linux, we create the new directory. Okay. Instead of the new directory, what will kept? Okay, we kept in files, videos, audios, images, and subdirectories. Lot of things that we can kept inside of the room. One small room is taken. However, we can construct the building like in this directory also. How we need to create and keep the files, whatever it is, you can keep it inside of the directory. Okay, I think everyone understanding. Okay, what is the mkdir command? Why need the mkdir command? Okay, by using the mkdir command, okay, we create the new directory. Okay, this is the main thing. Here Taj Hotel is there. Okay, yeah, we keep the Taj Hotel also. We can give any name of the directory. Correct or not? I think everyone understanding here. Okay, by using mkdir command, we can create the our own directory. This is not a new concept in Linux. Okay, everyone knows the folder concept in Windows also, right? In Windows, we knows the creation of the our own folders, right? For example, okay, now right click on mouse and the new is there. Whenever click the new, a lot of one pop menu is there, you can select the folder. Correct, you can give any name you can give, right? This folder concept is available in Linux also. In Windows we called as a folder. Okay, in Linux we called as a directory. Okay, concept is same. Okay, names are different only. I think everyone understanding in this. Okay, create a new directory. What is the syntax of creating new directory? The syntax is mkdir and directory name. Okay, here we can give the valid names, otherwise we will get the errors. Okay, in below we can see the command. Here mkdir hyphen parent is there. Okay, for example this one, we'll go to in practical mode. by using this one, what will happen? We get the error. This is a invalid option. So whenever we can creating the directory, okay, we can give the must and should valid names, otherwise we will get the errors. Whenever we can creating the new directory, you are not use the this many symbols. Okay, whenever we can use this many symbols, okay, we will get the errors. Okay, then what will happen? We can give the proper directory name, then only it will create the directory. Okay, we'll go to the practical mode. Okay, type here. Okay, what will happen? Oh, before come to this, now we will check parent directory is there are, we will check the parent directory is there or not. Let me check. Here parent directory is not there. Okay, now we will create the parent directory. Okay, mkdir parent. Now let me check created or not. Yes, here parent directory is created. Now in current directory we can create a new directory that gives an existing name. Then what will happen? Now we will get the error. Okay, mkdir can't be create directory, parent file exists, parent directory is already existed, so we are not created the duplicate directory. Okay, directory names are unique in same directory. Okay, duplicate names are not allowed within same directory. Now let me check. Okay, now mkdir we will get the error. Okay, now my requirement is inside the parent directory. Okay, we can create the child directory. Okay, inside of the parent directory. Okay, syntax is mkdir parent directory name backward slash child directory name. Okay, here we take the same command. We can use same command. Okay, same command in practical mode. To paste here. Okay, created. Let me check. Okay, created or not. It is a one way. Okay, created is this one. Second way, cd space parent. You can check ls. This one is there. Okay, second way. Third way. This third way. We'll check parent child directory. Okay, parent directory. Okay, instead of the parent directory, child directory is available. Okay, direct we can create the parent and child directories at a time. Okay, mkdir. Okay, child and parent. Now we will get the error. mkdir can't create directory parent and child. No such file directory. Okay, directories is not possible. Parent directory is compulsory. If parent is not available, then this command won't be work. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Check, okay, is there or not there? Here we can check here. Parent directory is there, not there. Parent directory and the child directory removed. Now let me check. Okay, at a time parent and child directories will create, okay, mkdir parent and child. mkdir can't be create directory parent and child, no such file or directory. Okay, already this one is discussed. Okay, how to solve the above error? Help of hyphen p command. Okay, hyphen p or hyphen parent. Okay, it will be resolved above issue. Now let me check, simple, let me check. Before creating the directory, we simply kept in hyphen p, then only let me check parent is created or not. Above issue is resolved right now. Correct or not, man? Correct. I think everyone understand, right? Now my requirement is we can create the multiple directories at a time. Yes, it is possible to create the multiple directories at a time. Okay, let me check once created or not in practical mode. Everything is practical also. Let me check. A, B, C, D created, right? Multiple directories we can create at a time. Okay, by using the above command, okay, it will take some time. How to create the within less time? Now we can check this command also. Actually Linux commands are case sensitive, everyone observe, okay, or understanding. Okay, careful to use. Let me check what will happen. Okay, ls here n is one directory, j is another directory. Okay, some keyboard issue is there now. Okay, now we will check. Here two dots are there. Okay, here one dot is there. This is the hidden files. Okay, two dots are there. Okay. Here what we see, files are exists, means this file is already existed. Here existed or not? Yeah, sorry, here existed or not? Existed, so this one is not created. J directory is created, only n directory created. Okay, when we can use this command. Okay, when you are not give the spaces here, whenever you can give the spaces, you will get like this directories only. Okay, it will take the different directories, man. J is one directory, n is another directory. That means this one is also treated as the different directory. Okay, now let me check another example. Here my requirement is we can create the 1 to 10 directories at a time. Okay, 1 to 10. Let me check created or not. It's created or not, man. Okay, 1 to 9, 10 created or not, means whenever we can create the multiple directories at a time. Okay, then only you won't give the spaces. Now understanding that Linux commands are case sensitive. Linux commands. Now my requirement is we can create the multiple child or subdirectories instead of the parent directory at a time. Yeah, it is possible, man. It is possible to create. Okay, now only now we will check once. Same command. Let me check. Sorry, tree parent created or not? Created or not? O P Q R side created. Whenever you can give the space, then only you want to be created. Okay, whenever you want to give the spaces, then only it will be created. Means Linux commands are case sensitive commands. Now my requirement is we can create the multiple subdirectories instead of the child or sub directory of the parent directory. Means one parent directory is there, after one child directory is there, after another child directory is there. Okay, we can create the multiple directories like here only. Now let me check once. Okay, this is parent directory, child directory. Instead of the child directory we can create the another child directory. Now let me check. One parent directory is there, after child directory is there, after sub child directory is there. Okay, now let me check it will created or not. Yeah, it will take quite some long time here because I will do the more explanation of all the commands. I have the already existed. Okay, let me check is created or not. Means already created. Now only we can check once by using tree command. Tree. Now let me parent directory is there, child directory is there. Instead of child directory, sub child directory is there. Correct or not? Okay. Now my requirement is instead of the child directory, we can create the multiple sub child directories or not. Okay, now let me check same here. We can give here some 1 to 10 directories. Okay, we can our requirement is one parent directory, after child directory, inside the child directory I have sub directories are there. Okay, 1 to 10 sub directories we can create. Let me check once. Whenever we won't get the error, means this file is executed. Created or not? Parent directory, child directory. Inside of the child directory 10 directories are created. Correct or not? Our requirement is our directory inside of the root directory. Okay, now my requirement is what? We can create the one directory inside of the root directory. Okay, now we are logging in what user. Okay, normal user. Okay, it is possible to create the normal user to root user. It is possible. Now let me check. We are logged in which user? Normal user. Okay, what our requirement is inside of the root directory we can create the one new directory. Okay, user only, normal user only. Then what will do? Permissions denied. Okay, we are getting the error. It is not possible to create the directory instead of the root. Okay, and also another example is there. Means etc is there already predefined directories. Okay, we want to be modified. Okay, when logged in normal user. Now how to solve the above user? We can solve the above user. We can change the user terminal or normal user to uh, root user. Now we can log in. Another way, another one is there. Okay, we can observe the dollar symbol now. Okay, we can observe the dollar symbol. Next, what will happen? We can observe. So now we can observe the here what symbol, dollar symbol. Now you can observe this one has symbol, and also here root. Whenever we enter the root user, okay, automatically change the root user and also this symbol dollar symbol to hash symbol. Okay, now we can create the new directory. We are not getting any error, so already created or not, man, it's created. Any folder, predefined folder also we can, predefined directories also we can modify, we can change, we can, whatever we do we can do here only when we can log in root user. Okay, requirement is here what to another terminal. Now my requirement is here we will take the three terminals. Okay, now we'll take the three terminals by using this one is your terminal over 0 means one terminal. Okay, now let me check where this is. Now let me check here one. Okay, this is second terminal. In middle of the another one is hard created, man. Shit. Now let me check this one is this terminal. This one is the third terminal. Let me check. We can open number of terminals. Okay, number of terminals. Already discussed terminal. Okay, already discussed T2 command. Okay, this is second terminal. Now my requirement is what we create the one directory in one terminal. We can see that directory in another terminal. Okay, mkdir dir. Okay, now let me check one. It's created that means with one remote directory here also created. Okay, remote is created or not, man? It's created. Okay, everything understanding like this one, right? We can create the one terminal. Okay, one directory. You can see that directory in another terminal also. It is possible. Not I will see that this is simple command. Yeah, simple way only. In real time, you can use remotes also, remote machines also. It is possible to create the directories. Okay, by using the mkdir command. Now another one you can see like 3 remote 3 remote 3 you can see remote 3. This is 3 created or not. It's created. It is possible to create it. Okay, this is mkdir command uses in Linux. Thank you friends, thank you everyone.